Hey guys, it's Dave, your mortgageguy.com, and let's talk about bank statement loans, which, by the way, I love bank statement loans. These were more readily available before COVID. They dried up a little bit and now they've really started to come back. And so I wanted to go over specifics on what to know for a bank statement loan, all right? Now, for bank statement loans, here's what it is. It's really aimed at those who are self-employed, okay? I've done it for lawyers who own their own firm, people who owned a car dealership. And so it's aimed at self-employed. And here's how it's determined. The underwriter is going to take the last 12 or 24 months bank statements for the business, sometimes personal, but mainly for business. And they're going to look at all the deposits that are coming in, so revenue for the business. All right. And then normally they're going to give a 50% credit for those deposits. So if they routinely deposit $20,000 a month, the underwriter will give credit for 50%, so $10,000. And then you can use that $10,000 as your qualifying income for the loan. All right. Now, I have gotten exemptions in the past for using a higher percentage. So I've actually gotten it approved with underwriting with a 70%. So if they're, depositing $20,000, 70% is now $14,000. And that one actually helped lead to us getting a loan approved that other lenders couldn't. Actually, 5 other lenders couldn't do it. And I'm going to put that link at the end of this video for you to click on so you hear that story. So how it's going to work is when we go to pre-approve somebody, we're going to go over and collect all those bank statements up front. We're going to have the underwriter come back with an amount that we can use in advance of pre-approving somebody. So we're not just going to look at the bank statement and say, hey, you should be fine for this much home. We're going to put the extra legwork in advance. Here's why. That's the most involved, difficult part of doing a bank statement loan. So if you have the underwriter commit to an income up front, then you're not going to have any surprises down the road. All right. And so that's really, really important when dealing with a lender, that they know what they're doing, that they do bank statements often. Okay. A couple other things to keep in mind. Usually the minimum credit score is going to be around 640, 660 or so. The minimum down payment is 10%. Okay. And you can do these for jumbo loans. So higher loan amounts I've done. That's what my last one was a jumbo loan amount in theory. Bank statement loans can take longer, okay, than a normal loan. So you want to make sure going into it, you give yourself that time to have a later closing date, and you need to ask your lender, okay? I personally have closed them in 30 days, but you really want to give yourself a buffer, okay? So maybe 45 days. Some lenders I know out there are taking 60 to 90 days to close a bank statement loan, which is difficult in this market to take that long to close a loan, but if that's your only option, right? Now, the interest rate is going to be higher than a regular standard loan, right? It could be in the 4s, 5s, 6s, 7s, depending on situation, credit score, and whatnot. But keep in mind this. That interest rate is a small inconvenience versus reporting more on your tax returns to qualify, right? Paying more in taxes. Because that's the whole point of a bank statement loan, right? Is somebody who's self-employed, who's not reporting enough income due to write-offs, that they're now able to use this program to qualify, okay? I'm a huge fan of bank statement loans. And like I said, stay tuned. One of the video options is going to be to a story where 5 other lenders couldn't do a loan. They denied it. And I was able to get it approved and closed, get the lawyer in the home, and we ended up using a bank statement loan. I'm very proud of that one, so stay tuned, all right? Call or email me with anything. Comment down below. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you find my videos helpful, I'd love to be your lender. Thanks, guys.